Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about solving one-step multiplication equation. Consider the example 5p equal to 25. 5p means 5 times p, that is equal to 25. To solve this, the first step is to isolate the variable p. To isolate the variable p, you can see it is 5 times p. So, you have to divide it by 5. Once you divide it by 5, this 5 will get cancelled out and the p will get isolated. So, if you divide the left side by 5, you have to divide the right side also by 5 in order to equalize this equation. So, I am dividing both sides by 5. So, this side the 5 will get cancelled out and the variable p will get isolated. So, what about 25 by 5? It is going to be equal to 5. So, p equal to 5 is the solution for this equation. Consider the example 24 equal to 6c. Here you can see the variable is on the right side, the other side. And the number associated with the variable is 6. So, in order to isolate this variable c, you have to divide this by 6. So that the 6 will get cancelled out and the c will get isolated. And once you divide the right side by 6, you have to do the same on the left side also in order to equalize this equation. So, I am dividing both sides by 6. So, here the c will get isolated and the 6 will get cancelled out and 24 divided by 6 is going to be equal to 4. So, c equal to 4 is going to be the solution. Consider the example 3 by 4a equal to 2 by 3. Here it is a fraction and 3 by 4 is the number associated with the variable a. The first step is to isolate the variable a. For that, you have to divide the left side by 3 by 4. Why are you dividing it by 3 by 4? So that 3 by 4 will get cancelled and the variable a will be isolated. Once you divide one side by a number, you have to divide the other side also using the same number. So, I am dividing both sides by 3 by 4. Now, this 3 by 4 will get cancelled out and the variable a will be isolated. Now, how to solve this? To solve this, you just write 2 by 3. And now, we are dividing it by the number 3 by 4. So, I am writing 2 by 3 times, you have to take the reciprocal of 3 by 4. Here you are given 2 by 3 by 3 by 4. So, I am rewriting it as 2 by 3 times you have to take the reciprocal of 3 by 4 which is 4 by 3. The reciprocal means 3 by 4 will become the inverse, that is 4 by 3. So, 2 by 3 times 4 by 3 reciprocal of 3 by 4 and I am converting this by divided by sign to multiplication when I do the reciprocal of 3 by 4. Now, to solve this, for 2 times 4 multiply the numerators. 2 times 4 is going to be 8. 3 times 3 it is going to be equal to 9. So, the value of a in this equation is going to be equal to 8 by 9. Consider the example 3.2x equal to 8. Here it is a decimal. So, in order to isolate the variable x, I am dividing it by 3.2. When I divide one side by a number, you have to divide the other side also using the same number. So, I am dividing both sides by 3.2. This will get cancelled out and the variable x will get isolated. Now, how to solve 8 by 3.2? We have a decimal point here, so let us first get rid of it. To get rid of it, multiply both the numerator and denominator times 10. I am doing this in order to remove this decimal point. So, 3.2 times 10. I am multiplying both numerator and denominator times 10. That is going to be equal to 8 times 10 by 32. So this 3.2 times 10, it's going to be 32. Now let us do the cancellation. 8 times 4 is going to be equal to 32. Again, 10 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So 5 times 2 is going to be 10, or you can say 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 4 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 2. So what you are left with is 5 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So the value of x is going to be 5 by 2. This is the fraction form. You can convert this to decimal form. 5 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 10.5, 10, 0. So 5 by 2 is the fraction form and 2.5 is the decimal form for this equation. Consider the example minus 2x equal to 8. Here you can see the number associated with the variable x is negative. So in order to isolate this variable x, I have to divide the left side by minus 2. When I divide this side by minus 2, I have to divide the other side also by minus 2. Now what will happen is minus 2 will get cancelled out and the variable x will get isolated. And what is 8 by minus 2? 8 divided by minus 2. That is going to be equal to minus 4. So x equal to minus 4 is the solution. Consider the problem 7 by 6 is equal to minus 7 by 3p. Here you can see the variable is on the right side and the number associated with the variable p is minus 7 by 3. So in order to isolate this, I am dividing this side by minus 7 by 3. What will happen? This p will get isolated since minus 7 by 3 will get cancelled out. So when I divide one side by a number, you have to divide the other side also using the same number. So I am cancelling minus 7 by 3 here so that the variable p will get isolated. Now how to solve this? To solve this, simply write this number 7 by 6. Then at the bottom, at the denominator, you have minus 7 by 3. So just put the negative sign here. And then multiply, change this by sign or the division sign to times, then take the reciprocal of 7 by 3. The reciprocal of 7 by 3 is going to be 3 by 7. So when this is 7 by 3, when you make the denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator, that is called the reciprocal. So I am just changing this by sign to multiplication sign and taking the reciprocal of 7 by 3, which is 3 by 7. Now cancel out. 7 will get cancelled out and 3 and 6 will get cancelled out and becomes 2. So you have minus, in the numerator we just have 1. So that is equal to minus 1 by the denominator we have 2 left. So by 2. So the solution for the value of p is going to be equal to minus 1 by 2. Hope you have understood about solving one-step multiplication equation in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.